To add your Shopify website to Google Search Console, follow these steps. Sign in. Go to the Google Search Console website and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Add property. Once logged in, click on the Add Property button and enter your website URL. Verification. Choose a verification method. The recommended method for Shopify is the HTML tag option. Copy the meta tag provided by Google. Shopify Admin. Log into your Shopify Admin dashboard and navigate to Online Store Preferences. Google Analytics. Paste the Google Search Console meta tag into the Google Analytics field under Additional Google Analytics JavaScript and click Save. Verify ownership. Go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. Google will check for the meta tag on your website. Confirmation. Once verified, you will see a success message in Google Search Console and your Shopify website will be added as a property. Explore data. Now you can explore data about your website's performance in Google search results, including clicks, impressions, and more.